We'll walk you through.
How to write a blog on WordPress.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
So you want to log
into your WordPress website and go over to posts, click on add post. All right, once you're on here, you can go ahead to write your blog on WordPress itself. But what I like to do is to use Google Docs. As you can see here, I have my blog written on Google Docs. So you can write it yourself. You can have a blogger write it for you, or you can use different AI tools depending on how you choose to write your blog. So I have a blog here on a simple guide to healthy weight loss. So what I like to do is to just make sure I make all the necessary edits on Google Docs right before I transfer it over to WordPress. So usually I would just make sure the alignment is in place, make sure it just looks exactly the way I want it to. Any corrections and changes I want to make, I just try to do them on Google Docs. Once I'm done, I just hit Control-A and copy first the title, go over to WordPress, paste it here, and then I can just go ahead and copy my text. Copy and just paste it on here. And as you can see, the text has been pasted here and it pretty much looks good. So usually what I would do at this point is to make sure that the spelling and any other errors are corrected. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead to also add images to your blog. So if you hover just below the text, you can see add block. So you can either make arrangements, add different elements, or even an image. So for example, I could just go ahead and click upload or select an image from media library, and I could just choose any of this. So for example, let me just choose this one. All right, you could of course adjust the size of it, and you could move it around as well. So maybe I want to put it on here, and there you have it. All right, so another cool way to add images is basically to use the options that are available to you on WordPress. So for example, I could just go over to the right hand side of the screen, go ahead to click generate image, and this would automatically generate images based on your post content using AI. So clicking on generate image, I could just select the style, and I'll just keep it at auto, and you know, it's gonna take a while for it to generate. You just want to be patient and wait for it. All right, as soon as it's done, you can just click on set as featured image. All right, and as you can see here, this is going to be the featured image. You can go ahead and add other images as well to your post. So for example, if I wanted to replace this one, all I would need to do is click on replace, upload, and let's just use this one. All right, so this looks pretty good, and as you can see, it has been added to my image. You can go ahead and add other images as well to different parts of the post, or you could just use the feature here that helps you generate images. Another thing you can do is also make changes to parts of your blog. For example, if I wanted to make some changes to the title, I could go ahead and click generate title options, and the AI tool is going to analyze and read your blog and make some suggestions. For example, we have a couple of them here: healthy weight loss, build lasting habits, and you can just go ahead and replace the title, and automatically that will be changed here, as you can see. All right, so the next thing is to add some other information like categories. So categories are important because it helps your blog to stay easily searchable, and it's good for search engines as well, so that when your blog is published, it can be easily found. So for example, as you can see, I already have some categories here. So I can just add a category, weight loss, and the parent category would be health and nutrition. If you don't have one, you can just add it here. This is important for search engine optimization, helps your blog to be found easily when it's published. And I can go ahead and add some tags as well. All right, so let's say health tips, weight loss, good nutrition, stuff like that. So you want to just keep things really simple, and the tags help users find your blogs and your content. So this looks good, and at this point, of course, you can also make some other changes to your blog just by hovering and adding a block. So you can add a paragraph, a heading, a separator, image, and also you can use the AI assistant. And this is cool because you can ask the model to write some extra information. So maybe you thought about something new while editing your blog and you just wanted to write something more. You could just say, for example, common mistakes to avoid. You could say, write 2 more common mistakes to avoid when trying to lose weight, and click on generate. So it says ignoring hunger cues, relying solely on exercise for weight loss. You can click accept. And as you can see, this has been added to the blog. All right, so as you can see, it has added some information for me. So this is pretty cool as well, and you can use it just to add or write up some extra information as per your preference. All right, so at this point, we just want to go ahead to where it says view, and this can just give you a quick preview of how your blog looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and click view here and preview in new tab. All right, so let's take a look at how that looks. Okay, and as you can see, your blog has been written. Everything looks good. Of course, you can go back and make some changes, and this is where users can comment on your blog once it's live. So if you're not happy with something and you want to make some changes, you can just click here, edit post, and just make some changes as per your preference. And once you're done, you can just go ahead and click on publish, and just like that, your blog has been written and is now live. All right. So, you can add some additional recommended tags as well by clicking on add this tags. These are just recommendations that might pop up on your screen, and I'm just going to add them as well, just so the blog is searchable and, easier to find. So that is basically how you can add or write a blog post on WordPress. So to find your posts, you just want to go back to the dashboard on WordPress. Let's say, for example, you wanted to make some changes later on to your blog, or you got some extra information. All you need to do is to come back to posts here, and this will show you all the blogs that you've written so far. Click on edit, and then you can go ahead to make the changes as per your preference. So that's it, guys. This is how you write a blog on WordPress. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.